In the peaceful town of Zzzville, nestled within cozy beds, lived tiny creatures, known as bed bugs. In their little nests they'd wed. They were small and harmless, feeding only at night, not causing harm, just bringing sleepers into fright. One young bed bug named Bingle felt a different kind of need. He yearned for something more, a bigger feast to feed. He dreamt of a banquet grand, where he could gorge and grow. A feast that would make him the talk of Zzzville's town below. Bingle ventured out one night, away from his cozy bed, determined to find the feast of his dreams. Beyond the room he tread, he stumbled upon a kitchen, rich with food, a sight to behold. A feast more than he'd ever imagined, a temptation he could not control. The human's wrath was great, and all his dreams they'd undo. The clatter and the chaos forced him to flee, back to his own abode. A lesson learned, Bingle vowed, to never again be so unintelligent and bold. Back in Zzzville, Bingle returned, with a newfound wisdom in his heart. He understood the value of home, and never again would he depart. He shared his tale with all the bugs, and the wisdom they did share. A moral lesson for all, to cherish the life that we have, and never go too far. For sometimes, more isn't better, and bigger isn't always best. In life, it's the simple things that truly bring us rest. So cherish your home, and be content with what you have. Remember Bingle's tale, and live your life with aplomb.